Hey guys, so in this video I am going to be unpackaging and installing the Yeti Motor Advanced Bright LED bulbs, and I'm putting them on my 2013 Kia Optima SX with the fog, replacing the fog bulbs, and I believe those are H11. So that being said, let's go ahead and open this up. But here's what they look like. Here's the H11 interface here. So anyway, that's what we're looking at here, and I'm going to get into the installation. So first things, I'm going to use rhino ramps in order to get up under my car because, as you can see, it's a little too low for me to fit up under there. I love these rhino ramps. They're pretty cheap. You can get those off Amazon as well. They're very durable, very sturdy. I trust them. And let me close my hood, get my cane out. That's what I use for my hood prop. And I'm gonna get them up on these ramps. So there we go. Got actually quite a bit more room to work with now. And there you can see just how much more height I have to work with now. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna run into here are these plastics that are blocking us from getting to the front side of the car here where the lights are housed. And we have these little pop rivet things here. I don't know what they're really exactly called, but you can take a flathead and you pop out the centerpiece. The theory behind these cheap pieces of junk, they're pretty, you can buy replacements online for super cheap, but you're supposed to take the center out first and then the whole thing will come out like so. And there you have it. And that's what secures all these plastics at the bottom of the car. The light bulb is back there. Yeah. Alright. Hopefully get a little bit better lighting here now. There. So here we have it. This is the fog lamp assembly, and getting the bulb out of here, you generally just give it a twist and it'll click out of there. And it has this plastic thing blocking it. You have to disconnect this wire first. Alright, hang on. There we go. So there's a little tab right here. You pull back on it and it'll slide right out of there. So now that that's loose, this piece of plastic here will no longer be blocking it, and we're free to rotate it, and it simply comes on out. Pretty similar to the ones I had in there. Well, let's replace them. So here are the new ones. They look very similar. These actually look like they're better. Got 3 LEDs on each row. These new ones only have 2. So I'm probably doing a downgrade, but thing is that this is burnt out, so that's not really a downgrade. Maybe I'll get some nicer ones in the future, but we'll see. So I'm gonna simply put this back in there. Camera can probably see better than I can from my angle. And rotate it to lock it in place. By the way, it's about 30 degrees out here, so my fingers, I can't even feel them. They're extremely numb. So if I'm working a little slow or awkwardly, that would be why. And then you just clip them back in. Okay, so I went ahead and flicked on my lights to do a side-by-side comparison real quick. They're pretty much the same brightness. Here, let me do this. So those new ones, I'm gonna say they kind of suck. Clearly the old ones, they looked a little nicer because they had more LEDs. I was hoping maybe, the new ones, perhaps just by having less LEDs, they would be brighter or something somehow, but I don't think that's the case. These are the old ones. Yeah. Oh well. It was burnt out and now it is not, so that's an improvement. So now all that's left to do is put these pop rivets back and hold my plastics back up. I'm not gonna make you watch that, it's pretty boring, and it should be good. Thanks for watching.